Hello everyone, I am joined today by Murtaza Fazleh Hussain, founder and CISO of FORTEIA, who has spearheaded the launch of FORTEIA'S Airsensy. I also have with me Siddharth Dahale, who worked under Murtaza's guidance to transform this vision into a reality. Hi Murtaza, congratulations first of all on the launch of FORTEIA'S Airsensy. So how does this idea of creating this e-nose originate?
Thanks, Nassim, for the question. Actually, during my recent trip in France, I attended one exposition wherein, there were similar kind of a device which were showcased in that exposition, and that's how the inspiration came related to this e-nose or FORTEIA AirSense.
So can you just tell me what exactly is this FORTEIA Airsensy and how does it solve, what problems does it solve?
Yeah. So if you see, this is the device and it has got 4 sensors. It detects gases such as an LPG, methane, alcohol and ammonia. And it is mainly used the target industry would be oil and gas, manufacturing, pharma labs and smart buildings. And it will help from the security and environment perspective, it will detect hazardous gases and help prevent mishaps and all.
Very interesting. So what was your approach in mentoring Siddharth and guiding him through building this product?
Yeah. So for sure, I wanted to work with a kind of a brilliant engineer. So Siddharth was recommended by one of the professor in the modern Vandya College in Pune. And that's how we got connected, and then we started our research and development, and later on within those 3 months we could develop this product.
Hi Siddharth. So the idea of e-nose originated from Murtaza. How did it evolve under his guidance?
So Murtaza's guidance was the key. Initially, he gave us the idea about how this device used in multiple industries, how it is reliable in varying environment. So his guidance is very important in this journey.
And what has been your role in this journey?
So basically, I lead the IoT engineering part in FORTEIA. How this device is reliable in multiple industries, how this device gives the accurate value, and the hardware part was my role.
So can you just explain how does this e-nose work in very simple terms?
So basically, we use the 4 types of sensors which detects the multiple gases like ammonia, methane, LPG and alcohol gas. So this sensor, this left side sensor detects the alcohol, front 2 sensor detects the ammonia and methane, and that right one sensor detects the LPG gas. So basically, it took the signals from the environment and proceed to the microcontroller part. Microcontroller proceed that data and compare with the algorithms and threshold value. If any gas is present in environment, so this device gives the alert and displays some message on that LCD.
Very interesting. So what makes FORTEIA Airsensy different from other e-nose available in the market?
So basically, like other devices detect and analyze only one types of gas or smells, but our FORTEIA's e-nose detect the multiple gases and analyze the multiple odors. So basically, and the accuracy level of this device is greater than other device. So for sure, the FORTEIA's e-nose is better than other devices.
Very innovative. So what challenges did you face when you were creating this e-nose?
Like major challenge was the accuracy of these sensors. When we are implementing this device, the sensors use the wrong reading in varying environment. So we tested multiple times, changed the algorithm and changed the data tuning. So because of that, the accuracy of this device increases.
What's next for this product?
So we still have to integrate the AI part and the IoT part, wherein we are going to continuously broadcast the data to the cloud. For that, we are going to use Microsoft Azure, and along with that, once we get the data, then it would be interesting for our customer, like, they'll get a dashboard wherein they will be able to see some very valuable data. For example, let's say if there is a manufacturing and there is a gas detection, it's one of the chamber, they will immediately get alerted and get to know about where it is getting leaked and so forth, along with these some more and more deeper data.
So after FORTEIA Airsensy, so what are the other products in the pipeline?
Next would be we will plan to make an electronic tongue similar to electronic nose. Electronic tongue is mainly used in mainly in food industry. For example, maybe a Starbucks which has got approximately 55,000 outlet in the world. They need to maintain their quality of coffee or standardize their quality of coffee in the same taste across all those 55,000 outlets. So those type of devices and the product will be used. Yeah.
Interesting. So thank you so much, Murtaza and Siddharthesh, for sharing your journey with us, and wishing both of you all the very best for the launch of FORTEIA Airsensy, and hoping it makes a big noise in India as well as abroad. Thank you.
Thank you.